ladies. So I am on my way to church, and I thought it would be a good idea to try to go over the summary of the book that we're going to be using. That'll help us to know how to do our Bible study. So, hey everybody. I'm going to try to divide the video up. As you can hear, I am in the car with my cutie pies, and you will hear them in the background, and they might actually scream at some point. So, anyway, the book that we're looking at is called Women of the Word, and it's by Jen Wilkin, and it has, I think I mentioned this to you guys before, but it has really radically changed how I approach the Bible. And it was actually presented to us by Dr. Sarita Lyons from Epiphany, Philly, who is amazing and awesome. But I'm going to do my best to just try to summarize it for you so that we can go ahead and dive into the study together. While you are listening, definitely do it in a time where you can grab a pen and take some notes, because I highly recommend that you read the book. But if you're not able to read the book, we want to make sure that we are approaching the Bible in the same way for the study. And so it's just important that you take notes and let me know any questions that you have, which you can shoot me through Google Hangouts or Marco Polo or text or call or whatever works for you. Okay, so we're going to get started. First thing that she talks about in the book is being able to approach the Bible so that you are looking forward to speak about God and not about you. So a lot of times when we go to the Word, we look for places in the Bible that can kind of help us to have a better understanding of who we are, and we forget that we actually need to be looking for the characteristics of God. So the Bible as a whole speaks towards who He is. And so one example she gives of that, she says, if I read the Bible looking for myself in the text before I look for God there, I may indeed learn that I should not be selfish. I may even try harder not to be selfish. But until I see my selfishness through the lens of the utter unselfishness of God, I have not properly understood its sinfulness. And I think that that's just a really good example of how we can approach it in such a positive way. We think that, okay, we're going to have a better understanding of who we are, and we're going to be able to answer this problem, and we're really missing kind of the whole point. The whole point is to really see who He is, and then we're able to kind of change our behavior. The other big approach to how we should look at the Bible is really thinking of putting the mind before the heart and before the emotion of the body. Emotion of ourselves. So basically, thinking about it as the more knowledge that we have of God, the deeper that our love can go for Him, and the deeper our understanding. And so when we're approaching the Bible, we're actually going to be reading it as a book of literature, and not just something that's powerful, because it is, and something that the Holy Spirit uses to breathe in us. We're also thinking about, how can I understand the Bible better? How can I have a better basic comprehension of what the Bible's even saying? And so looking at it as a basic approach first, and then going towards thinking about our emotions and our hearts.